Let's cover the differences between the long-standing Miller Dynasty product and the new Reimagined Dynasty. We'll cover some of the current challenges and how we've addressed those with the new intuitive design. The current Dynasty products are known to be the best-in-class TIG welders because of the versatility that the machines offer. Over the past 20 years as an industry leader, we've worked diligently to address customer pains and challenges. Due to the limited space and flexibility of past user interface designs, when additional features and settings were added, they could only be accessed in hidden menus and were represented with abbreviated names. This often made it difficult to access and utilize the equipment to its fullest potential. Many users needed to reference the owner's manual or the quick reference guide for navigation and utilization instructions, which sometimes meant they would forego using optimal settings or they would spend extra time finding the necessary resources. With the new Reimagined Dynasty product, hidden menus were removed and the full-text names, descriptions, and graphics are displayed to the user on the LCD screen. Accessibility to all functions has been improved. For example, in AC balance on the display, you can see the value setting. To the left, we have a visual representation of the weld. This graphic is dynamic to show, as the setting is changed, what they could expect from the weld, including factors such as oxides in the puddle, oxide removal, and tungsten geometry. We have also added guidance on why to set those parameters. On the left side of the display is the ProSet bar. ProSet represents the factory-suggested setting for that parameter, which is represented by the green arrow. The blue area shows the range that is commonly used, and the gray area represents the full range available for more unique applications. Once all welding parameters are set, you may want to utilize the 99 customizable program or memory locations for quick access to save favorite settings and reduce setup time in the future. These can also be custom named, so they are relevant to your operations. Program-specific locks and limits help ensure compliance to a WPS and prevent non-conformance findings in a code or contractual audit. The locks and limits parameters can now be locked individually, and applicable parameters allow minimum and maximum ranges to be input. The new Reimagined Dynasty now provides clear navigation to access all functions, in-depth information on settings and parameters, more customizable programs, and locks and limits that can be tailored to a specific operation. All of these enhancements will help companies achieve their first-pass quality and throughput metrics. For more information on the Miller Dynasty, visit millerwelds.com/dynasty.